Welcome to our New Year's resolutions template for setting inspiring goals for 2025. Let's dive in. New Year's resolutions template is designed to guide you through a reflective process on your 2024 achievements while setting clear, actionable goals for growth and success in the new year. This template will help you stay motivated, inspired, and on track to reach your career goals. Reflect on 2024 and celebrate accomplishments. Learn from oops moments and see what you managed to achieve. Personal and professional growth plan for 2025 focuses on lifelong learning, well-being, and setting career goals. It includes identifying future-proof skills, integrating wellness strategies, and leveraging cutting-edge tools like AI to enhance learning experiences. Key priorities involve driving measurable results through data, embracing trends, and fostering teamwork. Upload or draw images representing your aspirations for the year ahead to this vision board. This is a powerful way to visualize your goals and keep them top of mind. Start the year strong with our New Year's resolution template. Grab your free copy in Figma and kick off the year with clear goals and a roadmap to achieve them.